Hi guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to invite your friends to your Discord server. And trust me, there is nothing complicated, just make sure to watch this video all the way to the end to learn how to do it. First, you need to create your own server or just go in someone else's server, and if you're able to invite, just make it there. But how to invite your friends? Just click on yours here. Actually, there's two ways how to invite, and the first one is by clicking here on the empty space, and as you can see here it appears this window and we have this option, invite people. So now click on it and actually you can invite your friends. Let's invite this boomer here, and now he received invitation from us, as you can see, and now if he wants, he will join. The second way is by from here, by clicking this arrow here next to your Discord name, and as you can see here we have this option here again, and we can invite him again. The third, actually there's a third way also, but it's about a specific channel or text channel or voice channel. So as you can see here, when we right click on some voice channel, we can invite this, our friend, that friend that you want to add to specific channel. As you can see now, these two invitations are about the Discord, but this invitation is about the voice channel. So yeah, and that was it. If you're finding this video helpful, you can give it a like, and also don't be ashamed to leave your questions, to leave your problems down below the video. And sorry about my bad English, and I improve myself. And yep, see you in the next video. Bye.